wechi muske CS Migos Ogamba ni ganyara koba gagwikirana ase omuyega bukwera ngambia mono ase skuru yabo muri Riokindo igobwatikana amono gokoria byabanya koba gokoria omwaka weta ase omuyega uyu nigo muske Migos Ogamba nyaka bagakonekia huna nigo eserikali gochikubwatuka shilingi milioni 5 gochi ase skuru uyu erikonekia buna ngokini ere amagacho sebiranga byamagacho ase skuru uyu kubwatikana muna skuru uyu nigere national school bono na nigera chikwarigania abana bange na mono ba grade keri ya ikomi ase omwaka ogocha.
For Riokindo, I have seen the pressure you have for infrastructure. Let me announce that I will add you another 5 million shillings so that you can construct the buildings that you need to do. Alleviate the pressure that I saw even in the dormitories and the dining hall. So we want to ensure, because you are one of those schools that are going to do the 3 pathways in grade 10. So we will support you in the infrastructure to make sure that you have sufficient dorm facility. So that
na ase omuyega uyu nigo